Hey guys, welcome to Math in a Minute tutorials. Today we're going to be looking at the infamous saline solution question. This is a question that has gotten a lot of people stumped, including myself in the past SAT test, and today I intend to break it. So first, you got to read the question, obviously. How many liters of a 25% saline solution must be added to 3 liters of a 10% saline solution to obtain a 15% saline solution? So that might sound like a bunch of mumbo jumbo, and it does initially sound like it, but let's break down the question and let's make it into what I think is the most useful tactic when dealing with SAT problems, as the test takers usually make it being the problems, extremely difficult to kind of comprehend. So let's just make this into an equation. So we know that there are 3 liters of a 0.10 concentration percent or 10% concentration saline solution. So we can do 3 times 0.10. And we also know, we want to know how many liters of a 25% saline solution must be added on. Since you notice the word add on, that means you have to use a plus sign, obviously. And X can represent the amount of liters we're trying to solve for, and 0.25 represents 25% saline solution, or the concentration, and this has to equal 0.15, or that has to be basically the concentration, right? But we can't add that since these values represent the liters. We also have to add the liters here, so we just add, sorry about that, X plus 3, because it's just 3 plus whatever X is. So now we just distribute, and this becomes 0.30, and this becomes 0.25x, and this becomes 0.15x plus 0.45. And if you subtract 0.30 from both sides, and 0.15x from both sides, then this becomes 0.1x is equivalent to 0.15. And if we if we divide 0.1 by on both sides, then we get x is equal to 1.5. So essentially, when I want you to derive from this lesson here is that while these problems such as these may look and seem complicated, in reality, if you break it down into equation, if you break it down to little bits, it's kind of easier to see what they're really asking you for. Obviously, this might stump a lot of people, but something I just want you to internalize, especially on the SAT, is that whenever you see just a jumble of words, try to represent it in the form of an equation. It becomes a lot more clearer, and you gain a lot more clarity, and you get a lot more knowledge on how the test works by doing this. So yeah, thanks for watching as always, and I'll catch you next time.